Sometimes, when someone calls you on your Android phone, you might see a photo, like this one here. It could be their contact photo. If you want to set a photo for any contact on your Android phone, you can do that. In this video, we'll show you how to do it. First, you'll need to open the Contacts app. I'm opening the Contacts app. Then, search for the contact you want to add a photo to. For example, I'm searching for a contact and selecting it. Once you've selected the contact, you'll see an edit button at the top. Tap on that edit button. When you do, you might see multiple email IDs linked to the contact, like in my case, since I've saved this contact under several email IDs. In your case, there might only be one email ID. Select it. For example, I'm choosing this email ID. Then, you'll see a change option. If you don't see the change option, you might see an add picture option instead. Tap on that. When you do, you'll land on a page like this. Tap on Gallery and it'll take you to your gallery. From there, pick the photo you want to set. For example, I'm choosing this photo. Then, you'll need to adjust the photo. If you want to move it, just tap and drag it to where you want. For example, I'm positioning it like this. Once you're done, tap the Choose button. Then, at the top, you'll see a Save button. Tap that Save button and the photo will be saved. Now, you'll see the photo set for the contact. That's how you can easily set a photo for any contact on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.